If you're seeing itch.io error 1200, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest ways to fix it step by step. This error can happen for a few different reasons, and most of the time it's caused by a temporary service issue, a login problem, or an outdated app installation. So before you assume something is broken on your device, let's go through the proper troubleshooting process together. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and software tutorials. First, let's check whether the problem is actually on itch.io's side. Open your browser and search for the downdetector itch.io status page. This will show you whether other users are reporting issues right now. If there's a spike in reports or the service status looks unstable, then the error may be happening because itch.io is having a temporary outage. In that case, the best solution may simply be to wait a little while and try again later. If the status page looks normal, the next thing to check is your login credentials. Go to the main itch.io website and try signing in directly there. Make sure your username and password are correct and double check for simple mistakes like caps lock being on, using the wrong email address, or entering an old password. If you can't log in on the website either, the issue may be account related rather than a problem with the app itself. In that case, resetting your password or verifying your account details may help. Now let's move on to the app itself. If you're using the itch.io desktop app, a reinstall or update can often clear up error 1200. First, close the app completely. On Windows, you can do this from the system tray or task manager if needed. Then uninstall the app from your computer if the issue continues. After that, download the latest version from the official itch.io source and install it again. A fresh installation can fix corrupted files, outdated components, or bugs that may be triggering the error. If you already have the latest version, still check for updates inside the app or on the official itch.io page. Sometimes simply updating the app is enough to resolve compatibility issues. Once it's updated, reopen it and try signing in again. If the error was caused by an older version, this should get you back in quickly. After reinstalling or updating, test the app one more time and see if the issue is gone. If it still appears, go back and confirm the service status again. Then verify your login details once more, since both of those are common causes of the problem. In many cases, one of these three steps will solve itch.io error 1200 without needing anything more advanced. So to recap, start by checking the itch.io status page, then double check your username and password on the main website, and finally reinstall or update the app if needed. Those are the fastest and safest ways to troubleshoot error 200. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more fix-it guides for games and apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.